In the second test between England and West Indies at Manchester, Benjamin Andrew Stokes delivered yet another performance to further solidify himself as one of the greatest ever all-rounders of the modern era. After scoring his slowest ever 100 in the first innings at number 5, he then scored the fastest Test 50 by an English opener in the second innings, and with the ball, breaking a crucial partnership in the penultimate session to win the Test match for England. But is it fair to call a player who has less than 7,500 runs and 250 wickets in international cricket the greatest ever anything? Let's look at the numbers to understand where he stands among the greats. Stokes is nowhere near compared to the stats of top all-rounders of all time. Jack Callis has more than 25,000 runs and 550 wickets in international cricket. Sir Garfield Sobers has over 8,000 runs and 200 wickets in test matches. Sir Ian Botham has more than 7,000 runs and 500 wickets in test matches and ODI cricket. Or even the modern great Shakib Al Hasan has over 11,000 runs and 550 wickets in all three formats. But numbers don't do justice to the impact Ben Stokes has had on the international stage. What the New Zealand born has managed to accomplish within the 12 months or so is nothing short of remarkable. Since July 2019, Stokes has single-handedly won England the 2019 World Cup final, the Headingley Ashes Test known as the Headingley Heist, Newlands Test against South Africa, and the recently concluded Test against West Indies at Manchester. During a post-match chat, England Test opener Joe Root described Stokes as the born match winner. Having made his international debut in 2011, Stokes has emerged as the game's finest all-rounder. However, the sailing wasn't always smooth for the 29-year-old cricketer. Stokes had time and ran into trouble for his off-the-field controversies. In 2014, after getting out for a first ball duck against West Indies, he punched the locker of his dressing room in frustration, which led to a fractured hand and exclusion from the 2014 World T20. 3 years later, Stokes was once again all over the news, and for the unpleasant reasons. In September of 2017, Ben Stokes was arrested after being involved in a street brawl outside a nightclub with 2 men in Bristol. Legal proceedings followed, and Ben Stokes was accused of bringing the game into disrepute by the England Cricket Board. After Ben Stokes pleaded guilty to the charges in December 2018, he was fined £30,000 and banned for 8 matches. His career was also deeply affected by few on-field disappointments. In 2016, he was hit for 4 sixes in the last over of the World T20 final against the West Indies in Kolkata, with the match almost in England's grasp. A year later, he nearly lost his career after getting into the brawl incident in 2017. It takes immense strength of character to come back from these two harrowing experiences and win pretty much everything on your own under extreme pressure. He always finds strength to fight back from impossible situations. Against all odds, he gives his best. Thriving on responsibilities has become one of the biggest characteristics as a potent match winner. The thrilling 2019 World Cup final and the epic heist in Headingley are testaments to his mental strength and belief in his abilities. Batting through tail-enders, Ben Stokes has ensured that England did not come up with anything short from those situations. Reflecting on the Bristol brawl incident, Stokes has stated that the incident and the ensuing chain of events, which dodged his career for 15 months, may be the best thing that could have happened to him. The ugly episode brought a drastic change in his lifestyle, which has reflected in his game. He wants to be remembered for his on-field achievements. Since his return, his form has been simply phenomenal. He has scored 1,742 runs at an average of 44 and taken 55 wickets in 23 test matches. He has scored 836 runs at an average of 60 along with 12 wickets in 26 one-day international matches, and has scored 99 runs and taken 4 wickets in 4 T20 international matches. Ben Stokes currently has the most test runs as well as wickets in 2020. His contribution to the game and his impact has rightfully earned him the Wisden Cricketer of the Year award in 2019. He is undoubtedly the greatest match winner currently playing the game.